How to install the Bison gear rear shelf using one multi-tool. Start by placing all parts on a flat surface. Check that you have 2 side mounting brackets. These will be attached to the inside of the vehicle. The main shelf panel. This is the main load surface. The rear edge panel. This prevents items from sliding off the shelf while driving. The first step is to assemble the rear edge panel to the main shelf panel. Position the rear edge correctly, align the holes, and insert the screws. Hold the nut on one side and tighten the screw from the other side using the multi-tool. Repeat this until all screws are tightened securely. Next, move to the rear cargo area of the Jeep. Remove the plastic covers from the factory mounting points. Then, place the side mounting brackets in the correct position. Attach each bracket to the vehicle body using the supplied mounting hardware. Install one bracket on the left side and one on the right side. Make sure both brackets are mounted evenly and tightened properly. Once both side brackets are installed, place the main shelf onto them. Adjust the shelf to the height you want, depending on how much space you need. After installation, check that the shelf is stable, level, and firmly mounted. Make sure all screws are tightened before loading any gear onto it. Now the shelf is ready to use, and you can test its storage capacity.